Hey everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to change temperature to Fahrenheit or Celsius on iPhone. Let's get started. Alright. First, locate the gear icon for settings. It's usually on your home screen. Go ahead and tap on that to open up your settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find General. Give it a tap to access the General settings. Now, within the General settings, scroll down again until you spot Language and Region. Tap on that to open up the Language and Region settings. Now, within the Language and Region settings, scroll down until you see the option for Temperature. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you'll see two options, likely with a checkmark next to the one currently selected. In my case, Fahrenheit is selected. But if you want to switch to Celsius, simply tap on Celsius. You'll see the checkmark move over, indicating the change. And there you have it. Your iPhone's temperature unit is now set to Celsius. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.